Today, we'll introduce testing instruments required for energy storage battery manufacturing. First, cell and pack quality control test. LIFGO550T, Portable Discharge Charge Unit, is used for rapid identification and repair of lagging cells in production lines, paired with customized fixture tools to achieve high-precision testing. LIFG4X Multi-Channel Cell Discharge Charge Unit supports 4-channel independent charging and discharging tests, and the current for each channel can reach up to 100 ampere. It supports simulating multiple actual load working conditions of the batteries, comprehensively testing energy storage battery performance. FQ80H High Pressure Battery Leakage Tester supports the testing of 0 to 500 kilopascal pressure range, which can detect the sealing performance of the ESS battery packs during manufacturing, transportation, and usage. Second, module voltage matching and maintenance. FGCD Series Lithium Battery Discharge Charge Unit is applicable in lithium battery maintenance scenarios with any voltage range within 1000 volts, and suitable for ESS batteries discharge, charge, and cycle discharge charge tests. BLSR Series Lithium Battery Equalization Tester can quickly solve the problem of cell voltage imbalance with a maximum of a 5 volts voltage range, and supports independent testing of 24 to 52 channels. That's all for the recommendation today. We will introduce the solutions for residential energy storage and overseas transportation next time. Follow us to explore more innovative O&M solutions for the new energy industry.